Yeah, good morning, friends. Today I'm at Jalandhar. It's a beautiful morning as sunlight is coming from the window. And today I decided to talk to you something that I've experienced in the last few days, in fact. I was going through Bhagavad Gita, which is one of the greatest scriptures I have ever read, or in fact, it is the greatest scripture in the world. In Bhagavad Gita, the crux that I find in it, which actually unknowingly, I was trying to practice. What Krishna says, Krishna says, you have the right to do work, nothing else you can do. You have the right to do the work, nothing else you can do. Don't think what will be the results. You just do your work. Do your work perfectly. Nobody can escape the law of karma. In fact, Swami Vivekananda also told us that good, bad, nobody can escape the law of karma. Result is inevitable, it will come. But you should not work for the result, you should work for the work itself. And surprisingly, I was also trying to practice it. If you see in my Facebook, in WhatsApp, the message that I have written, this profile message that I have written, deadlines and deliverables are non-compromisable. Yes, that is what I practice. Deadlines and deliverables, if you can give, results is bound to come. And what you can do, what is there in your hand, the work only, right? Nothing else. You cannot, know what will be the result. So try to do your work perfectly. That is what Krishna says. And don't think about what will be the result. If the result is good, don't be so happy about it. Okay, result, whatever you have done, it has come to you. And if the result is not that good, it's not favorable to you, don't need to worry about, because you have given your best. You tried your best. So at both the conditions, if the result is good or bad, if you can remain the same state of mind, that is called Sthir Pragya, then you are liberated. This is what we can do, nothing else you can do. Tell me, friend, can you do anything else? Whatever in your hand, you can do that only. Nothing else you can do. So be sure that whatever you are doing, give your best. Look, whatever you need to play your role. What is our role? If you take the example of myself, I'm working as a sales manager in Gland Pharma. What is my role? I must know what is my role. And to perform a role, you have to have certain skills. So if you don't have that skill, you cannot perform that role. So whatever is your role, you should have that skill. If you don't have the skill, don't worry. Skills can be acquired. You can learn a lot of things. You can adopt it. And believe me, I am so happy to be to work in Gland Pharma. In our company, our boss, in fact, I would say our national head, in fact, domestic and marketing head, he takes care of us so well. He give all the input to develop our skill. Every year we do have some or other workshop to improve our skills. So what is your role? Your role is whatever skills they are trying to impart in you, you must practice it. Without practicing, you cannot adopt that skill. Or it is said, practice makes them perfect. So practice again and again, you will get the perfection. And that is what you can do. Nothing else you can do. So this one mantra can get you the eternal bliss, eternal happiness. We all, as a human being, we always look for happiness, but nothing makes us happy. But here is the secret mantra. What Krishna says: do your work and don't worry about anything. Don't be so overwhelmed with the success. Don't get disheartened when the results is not in your favor. Both the cases, it should be still. It should be, it should be calm and cool. Because you've given your best. Whatever it was in your hand, you have given. But if you could not give, then there may be some skills issues are there. So you can develop your skill again. This is what I want to convey to you. Thank you very much for